In the fiscal year 2023, Popular Vehicle and Services Limited provided services to a total of 790,000 vehicles through its 130 authorized service centers, including 5,000 luxury cars, 160,000 commercial vehicles, nearly 2,000 electric car two-wheelers, and 850 electrical three-wheelers. The total revenue for fiscal years 21, 22, 23 amounted to 291 billion, 348 billion, and 489 billion, respectively. The company's after-tax profit increased from 324 million in fiscal year 2021 to 640 in fiscal year 23. The market direction under the full chain and full industry model of the automotive industry has consistently led to new highs in the company's profitability, making it a value investment-oriented model in the capital market domain. When engaging in stock trading, our primary goal is to invest in stable and worthwhile assets. Before earning profit, our focus lies in mitigating potential risk. It's this prudent investment philosophy that enables us to consistently operate within the realm of stable profitability in our market trading strategies time and again.
Professor Mark Bilson, what are your profit expectations for this survey of Popular Vehicles and Services Limited? Is it possible to have better expectations than the profits from other IPO layouts in our investment portfolio in the early stage?
Excellent question. Firstly, current major indices in India are constantly reaching new highs, which align perfectly with the market direction and objectives I've discussed in previous live sessions. Combined with the effective breakthrough of the Sensex index at the 73,400 level, this will inject new vitality into the market across all sectors. Additionally, considering the escalating financial risk in the United States at present, the Indian market has become an indispensable financial value oasis and safe haven in the global capital arena. This conclusion is evident from the continued attainment of new highs in the market structure. Regarding my research on the Popular Vehicles and Services IPO in our investment portfolio, I anticipate the profit expectation for this stock to be likely over 100%. Considering its equity structure and comprehensive supply ecosystem spanning the entire automotive industry chain, I really believe that amongst the numerous IPO targets, Popular Vehicles and Services IPO stands out to gain more market attention and preference for that capital inflow. And this is without a doubt.
That's fantastic, and it aligns perfectly with my analysis report as well. I've analysed the listing structure and distribution matrix, and it's noteworthy that there is a certain allocation of shares for QIBs, retail investors, and HNIs. Are we planning to focus heavily on positioning in this IPO? What percentage of participation do we anticipate?
Absolutely. In my view, the Popular Vehicles and Services IPO is likely to be a stock that investors across the market will easily subscribe to. Those with institutional accounts will be indeed fortunate, as our institutional accounts allow us to directly apply for IPO shares of this stock. Regarding your point about the proportion of participation, I agree it's essential to consider the allocation of this stock in our investment portfolios based on our respective fund structures. Naturally, larger funds have an advantage. Our in-depth research indicates a return of no less than 100% for the stock, with a more accurate estimate ranging from 135 to 160% or even higher. Therefore, I believe that investors across the entire Indian market will not want to miss this opportunity to subscribe to the stock. So I've already prepared a sufficient proportion of funds to subscribe to this stock, and the investment portfolio model has been finalized. It's time to focus on positioning ourselves for a subscription.
Great. I'm also preparing to execute the positioning for this stock in my investment portfolio. See you all in our group chat, the fellow investors. Thank you.
Yes, indeed. See you all, friends, in the group chat.